Qustodio Technologies. SLU is a powerful parental control software that offers some of the best features in the market for safeguarding your child's digital experience. But before you decide to buy, there are some crucial things you should know to ensure it's the right choice for you. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll also show you how to get a free trial for Qustodio and some exclusive benefits you can't miss. Next thing to consider is the platform compatibility. Qustodio is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, which means you can monitor your child's activity across different devices. But here's the catch. While it works across all these platforms, it's not as feature-rich on certain devices. For example, the Android version is robust, but iOS doesn't offer quite as many monitoring options due to Apple's restrictions. If you're looking for a solution that works seamlessly across all platforms, you might want to check if Qustodio matches your needs compared to other competitors like NetNanny or Bark. The third thing is the user interface. One of the strengths of Qustodio is its easy-to-navigate interface. Setting up monitoring and managing screen time is simple, even if you're not tech-savvy. That being said, if you need a more advanced, detailed dashboard or specific data reports, you might find the interface a little basic compared to what you get with more professional software like Norton Family. Still, it's an excellent balance for most parents looking to manage their kids' digital life without feeling overwhelmed. Next thing to consider is the price point. Qustodio offers multiple plans, including a free option with limited features. However, if you want access to the full range of tools like social media monitoring, app blocking, and location tracking, you'll need to upgrade to a premium version. When compared to other parental control apps, Qustodio's pricing is competitive but can feel a bit pricey, especially when competitors like Family Time or Kaspersky Safe Kids offer lower-priced alternatives. But if you're serious about protecting your child's online activity, the value of its comprehensive features might outweigh the cost. The fifth thing is the location tracking feature. Qustodio offers real-time location tracking on mobile devices, which can be a game changer for parents wanting to keep an eye on where their kids are. It's not the most accurate GPS system out there, but it does provide a decent level of detail. Keep in mind, though, that this feature is far more reliable on Android than it is on iOS, thanks to the limitations that Apple places on third-party apps. If location tracking is crucial for you, make sure to test it out to see how well it works in your region. Next thing is the web filtering capabilities. Qustodio does a great job of blocking inappropriate content, with customizable filters that let you control what your child can access. While it's pretty solid out of the box, it's not quite as customizable as some other parental control apps. For instance, competitors like Circle or OpenDNS offer more granular control over websites, apps, and content, but Qustodio is a solid choice for parents who want a hassle-free, effective solution. Another important consideration is the screen time management. Qustodio lets you set daily limits for apps and device usage, which is a great way to ensure your kids don't spend all day on their screens. It's easy to configure and works well, but it can feel a bit too rigid. If you want more flexibility, you might prefer solutions like Family Link by Google, which gives you more control over app usage without a strict time limit. The last thing to mention is customer support. Qustodio's support team is generally responsive, but the availability of chat support could be improved, especially during non-business hours. In comparison, competitors like Bark offer 24/7 customer service and more in-depth resources. However, Qustodio does provide a detailed FAQ section and email support, so most users won't have an issue finding answers to common questions. If you're interested in trying out Qustodio Technologies SLU for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best offer and exclusive free trial benefits. This will give you the chance to see how it works for you before committing.